Are you tired of seeing the no valid QR code detected error message when trying to use WhatsApp web? Well, you are not alone. This common problem has been plaguing users since the feature was introduced, and it's showing no signs of going away anytime soon. In this video, we'll explain what causes this error and how you can fix it. Hi, my name is Abhyanshu Rao and let's start the video. WhatsApp web is a great way to stay connected with your friends and family, but it requires you to scan QR code with your phone to get started. Sometimes, however, you might encounter an error message that says no valid QR code detected. This error usually occurs when the phone can't scan the QR code properly. It could be due to poor lighting, a low quality camera, or a damaged QR code. Whatever the reason, it's frustrating to see this error message and not be able to use WhatsApp web. So what you can do to fix this error? Here are some steps you can try. Number 1. Make sure your phone has a good internet connection. If your internet connection is slow or unstable, it can cause issues when trying to scan the QR code. Number 2. Check that your phone's camera lens is clean and free of any obstructions. Dust, fingerprints, or a smudge can make it harder for your camera to read the QR code. Number 3. Adjust the lighting. If you are in a dimly lit room, try moving to a brighter area. Alternatively, if there is too much glare, try moving to a more shaded area. Number 4. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix this issue. Turn off your phone and then turn it back on again. Number 5. Try a different browser. If you are using WhatsApp web on a browser that's not supported, it could cause issues with scanning the QR code. Try using a different browser such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. If none of the steps work, there might be an issue with your QR code itself. Try generating a new QR code by refreshing the page or ask the person who sent you the code to send a new one. Thank you for watching and I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.